Good morning, boys and girls. For our morning work this morning, we're going to practice drawing and cutting out different kinds of lines. So, moms and dads, if you want to draw the lines, you can, or friends, you get to draw these lines. So I'm going to practice first drawing a straight line. Okay. Then I'm going to practice doing a zigzag line. Then I'm going to practice a slanted line, like a diagonal line. Okay, and then I'm going to practice just a curvy line. So I'm going to come here, curvy, 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 curvy. Okay, so now I have my lines drawn. Now I'm going to take my scissors. Remember, I put my thumb at the top and then my other fingers at the bottom, and I'm going to cut like an alligator, chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, and I'm going to first cut out my straight line. So I'm staying on the line, and I'm cutting out my straight line. Okay, there's my straight line. Now I'm going to practice cutting out my zigzag line. So again, now for this one, I'm going to move my scissors and my paper. I'm going to stay on the zigzag line. Okay, friends? Remember holding my scissors the right way. Taking my time, cutting out my zigzag line. Okay. And then I have my zigzag line cut out. Okay, now I'm going to move to my diagonal line. So remember, alligator cut. And I'm going to cut down my diagonal line. Okay, and then last I have my curvy line to cut out, so I'm going to follow the curvy line. Okay, and again, remember holding my thumb is at the top and the rest of my fingers are at the bottom, guiding it. I'm going to cut around my curvy line. All right, boys and girls. So there we go. So now you are going to practice cutting out your lines. I'll see you soon.